this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the question we have on the board. Okay, so the question says that solve for x and y. Okay, and this is what you have. So when you have something like this, how do you go about it? You have the first part of the question, which is 4 exponent x times 2 exponent y equal to 64. So here what you're going to do is to try and change these numbers into exponents such that you have a base. Looking at the numbers over here, the smallest among them, which is 4, 2, and 64, is what? 2. So you are going to change these ones to base 2. So when you change the 4, that will give you 2 exponent 2, but there's already x here, so it will become 2 exponent 2x times 2 exponent y. Then this side, that will become 2 exponent what? 6. That is, you have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this 4, 4, 6. Sorry, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4. That's what I meant. Then you have 4. So this is 4, 4, which will give you 16. So you can maintain this one. Okay, so 16 times 2, that will give you 32 times this. Then you have 64. That's why you're having 2 exponent 6. Okay, I hope you get it. So with this understanding, then you ask yourself, which of the principles or laws concerning indices can you apply over here? It is the first law, which says that when they are multiplying and the base are the same, we add the powers. So look at it, they are multiplying, the base are the same. So you add the powers, giving you 2 exponent 2x plus y equal to 2 exponent 6. Now, because the base are the same, what you're going to do is to equate the powers. So the whole of this will be equal to what you have over here. So you have 2x plus y equal to 6. And you label this one as equation 1. I hope you get it up to this point. Now let's look at this one also. You have 32 exponent x divided by 4y exponent 60. Here you can go by 2. So that will give you 2 exponent 5. That is when you change this one, but there's x here, giving you 5x divided by 2 exponent 2y. And this one will give you 2 exponent 4. Now, the second law of indices says that when they are dividing and the base are the same, we subtract the powers. So they are dividing, the base are the same. So you have 2 exponent 5x minus 2y equal to 2 exponent 4. So from here, you see that the base are the same, so you equate the powers. So you have 5x minus 2y equal to 4. So that one will also be here. So you have 5x minus 2y equal to 4. And this one will become equation 2. So here, what you've done is that based on what you have over here, you have been able to generate 2 equations. That is, you've labeled this one as equation 1, you've labeled this one as equation 2. So your whole focus now is to find the value of x and y. And how do you go about with it? So from here, you have applied the laws of indices. But when you get to this side, for you to be able to continue and solve and get the values for x and y, it is your understanding of simultaneous equation that will be able to help you. When we talk about the simultaneous equation, okay, we have the elimination method, we have the substitution method, we have the graphical method. Other teachers are also saying that they have also generated their own method. But I would prefer to stick to either the elimination or the substitution. Of course, we can look at the graphical, but for the purpose of our studies, we can look at these two. Okay, now let's look at the elimination method. When we say elimination, the word elimination means to take away, remove. Okay, so the whole idea or the concept behind the elimination method is that for this one, there are 2 variables involved. Sometimes you can have more than 2. Okay, so the whole idea of the elimination is that you want to remove one of the variables so that it will be left with 1. Then the one that will be left, you focus on finding the value of that variable left. Having found the value of the variable left, you will now come and substitute or come and put it into one of the equations to find the value of the variable you eliminated initially. Okay, now how is the whole elimination process done? You have to be the one to decide which of the variables you want to eliminate. So in this case, do you want to eliminate x or do you want to eliminate y? It is your choice. One student may decide to eliminate x, one student may decide to also eliminate y, so it depends. But at the end of the day, the answers must be the same. So here, you can decide to go like, let me eliminate y. The whole process is that when you decide on the variable to eliminate, they must be the same in both equations. So if you decide to eliminate y, you look at it, the coefficient of y. If here is 10, you have to find a way to make sure that this side is also 10. So in a nutshell, they must have the same coefficient. If they are not the same, you have to find a way to make sure that they are the same. All right. Then the next thing is that one has to be positive, one has to be negative, so that they can cancel out evenly. All right, so let's use this one as a case study. You have 2x plus y equal to 6 and 5x minus 2y equal to 4. We want to eliminate what? Y. Based on what I said here, you see that here the coefficient of y is 1. The coefficient of y here is -2. They are not the same. We have to make sure that they are the same. For them to be the same, you are going to multiply 2 by equation 1. So you have to write it. Multiply 2 by equation 1. So you see that when you multiply, you have 2x plus y equal to 6. And that will give you 4x plus 2y equal to 12. Then you label it as equation 3. So now you'll be working with these two equations, equation 2 and equation 3. The next thing that I said was that one has to be positive, one has to be negative. Then you add, okay? So looking at it carefully, this side is -2y, this is +2y, they cancel out. All right. So you see that when you add this plus that will give you 9x. I hope you are following. Then this and that, they will cancel out, so you have 0. This and that, okay, that will give you 16. So at the end of the day, you have 9x equal to 16. I hope you are following. Then you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, giving you x to be equal to 16 on 9. And this becomes the value for x. Now let's look at the value for y. Pardon me, I was trying to look around. I can't find my duster. All right. Now, the next thing is that having found the value for x, you now write putting x equal to 16 on 9 into, so you are the one supposed to decide the equation 1, equation 2, or equation 3. So maybe equation, let's say 1, which is 2x plus y equal to, 6. So what is x? You have 2 into bracket 16 on 9 plus y equal to 6. So from here, what you are going to do is to multiply through. What do you have? You have 32 on 9 plus plus y equal to 6. All right. You can find the LCM and multiply through by both sides. Each side. This one will cancel, giving you 32 plus 9y equal to. So this one, I think, will give you that you have 48, you have 54, yeah. So here will be 54. Then you move this one to this side, giving you 9y equal to 54 minus 32. So you have 9y equal to, here you have 2, here you have 2. Then divide both sides, okay? And you have y to be equal to 22 on 9. Then the question was saying that find the value of x and y. This is how